Hello everyone, welcome back to Magic. This video I'm going to solve some interesting polynomial division problems step by step. We will solve each question carefully and find the simplified quotient. So let's get started. First question, we are dividing x cube plus x plus 2 by x plus 1. So here is first term x cube. Once we divide by x, we will get x square. So x square times x cube, x square times 1 plus x square, right? So now we will deduct minus. So x cube and minus x cube out. So here is minus x square and this one is plus x. Now we divide minus x square by x, so we will get minus x, right? So minus x square and minus x times 1 will be minus x. Now this one is plus and this minus will also plus, and we will use this one. So here is 2x plus 2. Now these 2x, once we divide by x, we will get plus 2. So here is 2x, 2 times 1 is a 2, so plus 2. Now minus, and this one is minus 2x minus 2x plus 2 minus 2, so here is no remainder. Our answer is x square minus x plus 2. Very simple. So number A done. Number B, x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6, we will divide by x minus 3. So first minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6, we are dividing by x minus 3, and here portion is quotient. So first term is x cube, we will divide by x, right? So here is x square. So x square times x is a x cube. X square minus 3, x square times minus 3, it will be minus 3x square. Then we will subtract minus plus. So x cube minus x cube out. 3x square minus 2x square will be x square, and then 5x, right? Now look, this one here is first term is x square, and divide x, it will be plus x. So x square minus 3x, then again minus, and here is plus. So x square minus x square out, minus 5x plus 3x will be minus 2x, right? And we will use now this one plus 6. So here is minus 2x divide by x will be minus 2. So minus 2x, minus and minus will be plus, 2 times 3 is a 6, right? Now after deduct, this one is plus minus, so minus 2x and plus 2x out, plus 6 minus 6, so no remainder. Our answer will be what? X square minus x, plus x minus 2. Very simple. So 1A and B done. Number C, we will divide x cube plus 7x square plus 8x plus 2 by x plus 1. So first term is x cube. Once we divide x cube by x, we will get x square. So here is x cube and x square times x. X cube x square times 1 will be x square. So plus x square, then minus x cube minus x cube out. So 7x square minus x square will be 6x square, and here we will use 8x. Now 6x square divide x will be plus 6x. So 6x square, 6x plus 1, once we multiply it will be what? 6x. So again minus 6x square minus 6x square out. So 8x minus 6x will be 2x, right? And here is 2. Now look, this one is 2x. Once we divide by x, here will be plus 2. So 2x, 2 times 1 is a plus 2. So here is no remainder, it means 0. So our answer is x square plus 6x plus 2. Very simple. So our first part 1, we are trying to solve A to C. Done. Next part 2, we will start from number D. Till then, take care, keep practice home, and don't forget subscribe my channel Magic. Thank you.